Alpha Roofing and Structures, we specialize in turnkey pre-engineered buildings, delivering reliable and efficient steel building solutions. This project was executed at Coimbatore Industrial Park, Coimbatore, a 5,000 square feet industrial facility designed for a leading pattern maker production unit. The structure includes 2 inbuilt mezzanine floors, ensuring smooth operations for the client's industrial needs, and is equipped with a 2-ton EOT crane setup. Usage: industrial building for pattern maker production unit. From concept to completion, the project was delivered within just 90 days, reflecting our commitment to speed, precision, and quality engineering. For a reliable structural engineering partner, contact Alpha Roofing and Structures.